idea for the book originally came, I think, from my stepdad, who came up with this amazing shaggy dog story. And the original story was rather gory because it was about a man who is chased by this enormous gorilla. And this poor man ends up with his legs chopped off, and it's all very, and I don't know why my stepdad told me this, but anyway. My favourite influences, particularly with the illustration, would be John Birmingham. I just love the way that he uses colour and the different techniques he uses. I've tried to emulate those over the years with toothbrushes, for splattering techniques and things like that. And all the different mixed media, so inks and acrylics and pencils and things. Most of the books I read weren't really sort of picture books. I got more into reading when I was slightly older, and that would have been particularly the Malcolm Saville series, which interestingly enough are actually based around this sort of area and just across the border and Craven Arms way. And they were sort of like Enid Blyton for boys, really, just slightly older. I think altogether I've done about 38 books. Most of my books recently have been in rhyme, so people like Colin McNaughton, who've written quite a few simple rhyme type books, has been an influence. Dwi'n hapus iawn I weld y llyfr yn Gymraeg. I'm hoping that people really buy this book for the simple reason that, I think it's got a lot of excitement and it's got a very clever twist at the end. And it's a very easy book to read in that you've got a refrain that goes through it. The rhymes, particularly, are the things that I think kids really enjoy as a thing to sort of hear repeated over and over again. And certainly as a bedtime story, you've got the refrain each time where it goes tramp, tramp, singing his song, still the wolf comes following on.